In reading, and in this teacher video, we're going to take a look at different elements of plays. So right here, sometimes teachers refer to them plays as dramas, so that's just another word that means a play. But we know that these are meant to be performed on a stage in front of an audience. And we know that the people who put on this performance are often referred to as actors, and they have to learn their parts by reading a script or a written text. Now, there's also other structural elements or features that are included in that text that tell the actors exactly what to say and what to do. So when we are reading through a drama or a script, we also have to pay close attention to those different structural elements, not just the dialogue. Dialogue refers to the words that your characters are speaking. You have a cast of characters that tell you like who's going to be in the play. You have a setting. You have stage directions that are telling your actors where to go on stage and how to act, and maybe even like showing a certain type of feeling. But these different structural elements all work together to help us almost visualize what an audience would experience or what they would see and hear when watching that performance. So let's take a look. I've got a really short little drama right here. We see these three guys, right? They look kind of interesting. And this drama is titled The Surly Chefs. So we have setting, 1932, a hotel kitchen. Cast of characters. We have the head chef, chef 2, chef 3, and a hotel guest. Head chef staring angrily at the hotel guest. So, you don't like our pies, do you? Maybe you'd like another taste, eh? Chef 2 and Chef 3 looking angry and upset. Ready, set, the three throw their pies at the hotel guest. Wow. Even though it's really short, can you imagine yourself sitting in the audience? Do you know exactly what you would see? Are you able to imagine how each one of our four characters are feeling? Yeah, these three are probably pretty upset. The hotel guest is probably terrified because they know that they're about to get a pie to the face. So let's take a look here now. On this split screen over here on the side, you will see structural element, purpose, and example. Right up here at the top, let's just kind of think of these words right here as almost like a word bank to choose from. So, which structural element lists all the names of the characters that appear in a drama? Right, that's the cast of characters. Which structural element tells when and where the drama takes place? Exactly, just like in a story, that's going to be your setting. Which structural element of a drama tells exactly what the actors say on stage? This one's a little bit trickier. Right, that's the dialogue. Which structural element tells the actors how to act or move or tells what feelings to show? Right, those are the stage directions. And finally, which structural element gives details about how the setting or the characters look? Right, that's got to be a description. We didn't really have any of those in this short drama, but oftentimes in a drama we might see extra or added in descriptions. So if we're looking at this example then, this short drama, an example of this, the cast of characters would be your three chefs and hotel guest. It's really important to actually read through all of this information before we jump right into the dialogue. The setting, well, we know that it's 1932 and at a hotel kitchen. The dialogue, well, an example of that, actually what the characters are speaking would be when the head chef makes that comment, so, you don't like our pies. That's an example of dialogue. Now stage directions, where do we see that? Well, right here. When he's staring angrily at the hotel guest. Also, when the other two chefs are looking angry and upset, and finally, when the three throw their pies at the hotel guest. So oftentimes you'll see the stage directions either in these brackets, like you saw there, or you might even see them in parentheses. So I'll include this example. The three throw their pies at the, I'm just going to put H guest. And last but not least, descriptions. Well, I guess right here could technically be an example of a description. Even though it's also kind of the stage direction, it's giving additional information about the characters. They look angry and upset. The chefs looked angry and upset. Again, that extra description lets you know exactly how your characters are feeling. So this is the first video. There will be another one where we go through and we take a look at a different drama and we focus in on certain lines. So join me in part 2 and we're going to take a look at a drama, and it is titled, Where's My Mummy?